Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Google Maps and locating the business listing you want to rate. Once you see the correct result, tap it to open the place page and verify details like address and hours. This ensures your rating applies to the right location. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use because ratings attach to that profile. If you plan to add photos or a written review later, signing in now saves time and links everything properly. Next, you tap the star row on the place page and pick 1 to 5 stars. This is the primary signal other users see. Once done, choose Add a review to explain why you picked that rating, describe service, cleanliness, or wait time so readers understand context. You can attach photos to support your comments and use available attribute tags for quick signals. Remember to balance positives and negatives. Clear specifics make your review more credible and helpful. Finally, you tap Post to publish your star rating and review. It usually appears immediately but may take minutes to index. If you don't see your review, try signing out and back in, clear app cache, update the app, or use an incognito browser to rule out account glitches. If your rating attaches to the wrong business, use Suggest and Edit on the place page to report duplicate or incorrect listings. This fixes long-term accuracy for other users.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.